How to update the email in the submission forms in Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to achieve this. Basically, what I'm trying to refer to is basically the email that you will be receiving the forms submissions for, or from, or in. I'm kind of lost here as well, but you get the idea. So basically, the email that you will be receiving in the form submissions in basically. So we will be basically updating this and also editing it, so we can just feel free to make it whichever email that we actually want to use for it. So how do we actually achieve this? First, you will need to just go ahead and open up your Squarespace editor and just go ahead and click on edit. From here, you would want to either locate or create a form. For me, I don't have a form. I'm just going to go ahead and create one. So just go ahead and locate the page that you want to create it in. I'm just going to do it in the home page here. And I'm just going to add a section right down here. And we can just go ahead and add a blank section for the time being. And we can add a block. And we want to add a form, so we can just go ahead and search for form, which is this one. Let me just make it centralized, and now we can see that we have the first name option, last name, email, subject, message, and so on. We want to basically, by default, I believe it's going to be the email that you will receive the submissions in. Is going to be the email that you used to sign up with Squarespace. But if you want to change it, we can also do so easily. So all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the form itself. So just go ahead and locate your form, click on it, click on the pencil icon right on top of it, which is the edit option. And then from here, you basically have the content here that you can feel free to change. You also have the design, but what we actually want is the storage option from the top. So you can see content, design, and storage. Click on storage, and then from here, you will basically find email notification. So here you will find that you have this email. You would want to just go ahead and click on that, and then you basically want to remove it and add the email that you actually want to replace it with. So that's pretty much how to change the email for notifications, all of these things for submissions. And we can just go ahead and go back. And from here, we can also do more additional storage things, which is not really related. And if you do manage submissions, you'll be obviously, have all these submissions and stuff in here. But basically, that's all you need to know. So just go ahead and add your email from here, this section over here. I'm just going to add my email again, the one that I removed, because I'm just going to be using that one. And once that's done, you can just go ahead and go back, save, and exit, and you're pretty much set. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.